Which one you like? I'm sure that is expensive.
45. Is it 45? 97. This is 97. This that one. One of these are expensive.
It's so
Wait,
expensive.
43. This one. 54. Oh, 58. They have 58.
Lego?
Yes.
You like that Lego?
Yes.
What else? You check first.
Okay, make sure it is 2 numbers.
Yes, 2 numbers only.
Oh, wait, this one, the plastic, this is 77.
Ah, it's too expensive.
Only 40 or 50s?
Yes, budget is
Or 60s?
50s.
60s?
No, not 60s. Mommy has not enough money. Doesn't have enough money.
50s or 40s?
Yes.
Oh no, I want this one.
Huh? That's expensive.
What about this one? How much is this one? 44, 43.
Other side.
This side?
This one, 40.
Wait, mask.
This one, 40.
This one's 40.
Yes.
Ninjago. Wait, look at these.
What is that?
Marvel. Look at this Monopoly. It's up there. I want to. Oh, okay. I've chosen the 50.
Lego na naman. You like that? How much is that?
50.
Show me. How many pieces?
50. 1, 2.
No. It has some. It's written there. How many pieces? It's not mentioned?
221.
221. Naku mo, maliliit lang yan, anak. That's so small.
Look at this one. This one. We do Duplo numbers. How much is this one? I really want this one.